Hi everyone, Harley here again, bringing you another tutorial of the Radix endeavor. Today we'll be doing a walkthrough of the Under Construction quest line. The quest starts in Canopelia, and there you want to talk to Poplar. She'll ask you to find a gyp snout that will fit comfortably into her fenced-in area. So take a look at the measurements of the fence, find a gyp snout. Keep in mind that the gyp snout needs to be comfortable in this pen, so it needs a tomb of space on each side. So this guy doesn't really work. This guy does though, so you might need to collect a few gyp snouts before you find one that actually works. Next quest asks you to find a Schubert and then build a fence for it. So again, keep in mind that this Schubert needs to be comfortable, so give it a tomb of space on each side. If you don't know how to use the fence builder tool, feel free to check out my tutorial on that. Third quest has you finding Rollo the Bambolo, this big guy here, he's roaming around the map somewhere, and creating a fence for him. Now, his definition of comfortable is a bit different, so keep that in mind when you build a fence for him. The fourth quest begins in Whisperwick, so you'll have to travel all the way over there. There, talk to a person named Yemel, and he'll ask you to collect 4 sting glades for him, which look like those little grass things. Quest number 5 gives you a set amount of fence, and asks you to build a fence with it. Now, I have 24 tombs of fence, so I'm going to make a 6x6 fence. You might get a different number, though. And before you can turn it in, Yemel will ask you a question about the area of the fence you built. Quest 6 is really similar to Quest 5. You're given a particular area you need to cover. In my case, it's 60. And again, you might get something different. And before you can turn it in, Yemel will ask you a question about the perimeter of the fence you built. Last quest is a bit trickier. Again, you're given an amount of fence to use, but this time we have to make sure to optimize the area. In my case, it was 32, so I built an 8x8 square. You might have something different, once again. Finish up by telling Yemel the area, and you are done with this quest line. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial.